lesson is triangles. What is a triangle? A triangle is a three-sided closed plane. There are three sides and it is a closed plane figure bounded by three straight lines. What's a triangle? A triangle is a three-sided closed plane figure bounded by three straight lines. Then you can see there are three types of triangles. Before that, I will explain the angle sum of a triangle. Angles, these are the angles of a triangle. These are the angles of triangles. Angle sum of triangle is 180. When three angles, there are three angles added up to 180 degrees. That is the angle sum of a triangle. Then triangle is a three-sided closed plane figure bounded by three straight lines. We can classify triangles by the length of the sides. Look at the first figure, A. In this triangle, all three sides are equal in length. This side will name this angles as DCE. In this angle, DC equals CE equals DE. All three sides are equal. Then we name it as equilateral triangle. If all the sides are equal in a triangle, we name it as equilateral triangle. We can classify triangles according to its sides. Then in equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal, so all the angles also equal. We learned earlier the angle sum is 180. Then angle D equals angle C equals angle E. Those three angles equal. Then angle D plus angle C plus angle E equals 180. Then one angle is 180 divided by 3, that means 60 degrees. That is 60 degrees. In equilateral triangle, one angle is 60 degrees. It is, there is 60 degrees. One angle is 60 degrees. This also 60. All three angles added up to 180 in an equilateral triangle. Then next we come to second angle. In this angle, only two sides are equal. We'll name this as FGH. In this triangle, FG equals to FH. These two sides are equal. Then we call this angle as isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, equal sides of angles are equal. Then here angle G equals to angle H. These two angles also equal. These two angles also equal because these two sides are equal. We name this as isosceles triangles. Then we next come to next triangle. In this triangle, no sides in same length. All the lengths are unequal. Then we name it as scalene triangle. This we can classify triangles as equilateral triangles according to all the sides are equal, then all the corners are equal. Second one, all three angles make up to 180, but only two sides are equal, then only two angles are equal in isosceles triangles. Here scalene triangle, all the sides are unequal. Then we can use this theorem when we going to find an unknown angle. Look at here. Here we have to find the value of A angle and value of B angle. Then we can find out what do you learn earlier. Here This when you see at once, it's isosceles triangles because these two sides are equal. Then we can imagine these two angles also equal. Given the value of P, that is 60 degrees, then we already know P plus Q angle plus this is, we'll name it S plus S angle equals to 180. That is the angle sum of a triangle. But we already know the angle of P, that is 60 degrees plus these two angles are equal. We can name it as A, then 2A equals 180, then 2A equals 180, take away 60, 120, A equals to 60 degrees. This also gives 60 degrees. Then we can find the value of this angle B because this straight line, on a straight line all the angles equals to 180. This is 60 degrees, then value of B is 120 degrees. Here we can find the value of X angle. Here this angle, this triangle is an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all the angles are equal. Then that means we already know this is 60 degrees. One angle is 60 degrees. Then we can find the value of X, that is 120 degrees.